guys, and welcome to another vlog. I haven't done one of these video in a minute, but I'm just gonna be cooking my Sunday dinner, and I'm gonna take you along on this journey while I prepare my dinner. So let's go, let's head to the kitchen. It's a little bit after 3 o'clock, so I'm gonna go ahead and start fixing my dinner. I'm gonna fix some curry chicken with some white rice because I like to have my curry chicken with the white rice, and I'm gonna fix some kale on the side. Nothing too fancy, I'm just gonna keep it simple. It's hot and I don't want to be in the kitchen for too long. So this is 3 cups, approximately 3 cups of white rice. Now I'm just gonna wash it while my oil is heating up in the pot. For measuring my water whenever I'm fixing rice. So normally if I have 2 cups of rice, I normally go with about 3 cups of water. So I think I have about 3 cups of rice. So now I'm gonna put 4 cups of water. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt, not a lot of salt, just a little bit of salt. And I like to add my no salt seasoning, so it has like a lot of different seasons. I like to definitely add some garlic, and then I'm just gonna stir it around and add a little bit of butter. Get some butter. And once you start boiling up, I'm going to add a little bit of coconut milk. This is hot for sure. I can smell it. So what I like to do, since I'm gonna fix curry, I decided I'm just gonna fix some curry chicken. So I like to put a little bit of curry in my pot, just so the curry can burn a little bit. And then definitely I like to add some more seasonings. Put in garlic right now. And now I'm gonna put some seasoning salt. And then I'm gonna let that kind of sit for a little bit before I put anything else. So this is the coconut milk I'm going to be using in my rice, and I think I'm going to put some also in my curry chicken. Okay, I can smell the curry burning. So now I'm going to get my chicken from the fridge. Whenever I season my chicken and I'm putting it in the fridge, I like to make sure that it's covered. So of course, you know, with the whole salmonella thing, I put it in a bag and then put it inside the fridge so it can sit. This has been seasoned ever since this morning, so right now the seasoning that I use is like well soaked in, so it's gonna taste really, really good. I'm gonna put some of the coconut milk in the chicken, and this is gonna give it a really good flavor. I like to use the back tail, and this one I got this from Costco. I like to use this because I don't have to worry about chopping stuff up. It's already chopped up. Even though it says that it's thoroughly washed, I still like to go ahead and I still clean it. I would say this is perfection. Look at that. Not watery, it's like perfect. I'm gonna get ready. Kale. Hot. And then if it melts, I'll add a little bit of seasoned salt, some garlic, and then this is a mixture of like different seasons or seasons that's mixed in here. So I love to use this. I got this from Costco. I love this a lot. I use this in everything. I don't know if you know this. I also use it in my rice. It just gives everything a really good flavor. So I like to use this in whatever I'm cooking, even with my eggs. Okay, so now the butter is melting. I'm gonna put some of this in the bottom here. A little bit of salt, not a lot of salt, because we all know too much salt is not really good. My garlic powder. And I'm gonna let that get really, really hot before I put the kale in the pot. Turn the stove off, and now guess what it is? It's time to eat, and I'm so excited. Stove is off. Now it's time for me to share my plate. I love this plate. I got this, I believe it's from Amazon. I love this. I think I want to get them in the black color as well, but I love it so much. You can have salad in here, regular meal, you can have pasta. But yeah, this is what I'm gonna eat out of today. I think I'm gonna start off with 2 spoons, or maybe 3. They're not really big spoons. I didn't have lunch, so I think I'm gonna eat a lot. What goes next? So I'm gonna share out my kale. I love kale. I can eat it every single day. I'm starting off with, so this is my dinner. This is amazing. So good, so good. I'm so hungry, so I'm just gonna sit here and enjoy my dinner. I'm gonna put some of this chili crisp on my chicken and my rice because I just love how it is. This is so good. Perfect. Hope you enjoyed this video and talk to you soon. Bye.